Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Search Console, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your website's average click-through rate in Google? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to check your website's click-through rate in Google Search Console anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing blogs, you know it's important to check your click-through rate, because if it's really low, you may need to change the page name or the page description. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Search Console. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Search Console, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to check your website's click-through rate, here on the top left, make sure you're working in the correct property. Once you've chosen the website property, you want to scroll down and click on Performance. Once you do that, click on Search Results. Once you do that, go ahead and check the time period for which you would like to check your click-through rate for your website. For this video, I'm going to go back for the past 16 months and then apply. Next, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and click on this box right here called Average CTR. To do that, you're going to see green. Okay, you can see on this particular website, over the past 16 months, the average click-through rate is 0.1%, which is really low. This website doesn't get any traffic at all, but if it were, we would watch the green line to see if it's trending up or if it's trending down for a click-through rate. Now, if you want to see what the click-through rate on your website is for individual pages, you can scroll down and then click on Pages. And now you can see which pages have a better click-through rate. So for example, this one has a click-through rate of 3.5%. So maybe I would go to this website page and then see what is different about that page that is getting more clicks in comparison to impressions. And if you want to see what the top performing page is that's getting the most click-through rate, you can click right here, CTR, and now you can see this one, which is the home page, has a click-through rate of 4.8%, which is the highest. You could also check the click-through rate for a different time period. So we just scroll up and let's say for the past 28 days. Okay, so click-through rate for the past 28 days, this is the highest click-through rate right here, 6.7%. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to check your website's click-through rate in Google Search Console, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.